Sunlight triggers the creation of vitamin D, a nutrient essential for our health, yet millions unknowingly lack it. This deficiency often goes unnoticed, hidden behind everyday aches, low moods, and subtle changes we dismiss. Today, we'll reveal the 7 key signs of vitamin D deficiency and how to restore your body's natural balance. Let's begin our journey to reconnect with the sunshine vitamin. Melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color, acts as a natural sunblock, protecting us, but also reducing vitamin D production. People with darker skin need more sun exposure to make the same amount of vitamin D as those with lighter skin. In our indoor lifestyles, this puts those with rich skin tones at higher risk for deficiency. Relying on sunlight alone may not be enough, especially in colder climates or winter months. If you have darker skin, consider dietary sources or supplements to meet your needs. Our skin tells the story of our ancestry and reminds us to tailor our health strategies accordingly. Recognizing this can help bridge the gap and prevent deficiency. Vitamin D receptors are abundant in the brain, influencing mood and emotional balance. Low levels are linked to depression and seasonal affective disorder, especially during darker months. Deficiency can disrupt serotonin production, leading to persistent sadness or loss of interest in life. Sometimes the root of low mood is physiological, not just psychological. Supplementing vitamin D may help restore balance for those who are deficient. If your mood dips with the seasons, it could be your body's call for more sunshine vitamin. As we age, our skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight declines sharply. By age 70, we make only a fraction of what we did in our youth. The kidneys also become less efficient at activating vitamin D, compounding the problem. Older adults often spend more time indoors and may eat less vitamin D-rich food. This double challenge makes deficiency common after 50. Regular testing and supplementation are often necessary to maintain bone and immune health. Recognizing age as a risk factor is key to staying strong and healthy. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so it gets stored in body fat, making it less available for use. People with higher body fat or muscle mass need more vitamin D to achieve healthy blood levels. The vitamin gets diluted in a larger body, creating a hidden deficiency. This isn't about judgment, but biology. Your body size changes your vitamin D needs. If you have a higher BMI or lots of muscle, talk to your doctor about adjusting your intake. Personalized nutrition is essential for optimal health. Don't let your body's storage system keep you from getting enough of this vital nutrient. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping bones strong and muscles working. Without it, your body pulls calcium from bones, causing deep aches and even osteomalacia. Muscle pain and weakness, especially in the thighs and shoulders, can also signal deficiency. These symptoms are often mistaken for other conditions, delaying proper treatment. Persistent, unexplained aches are your body's way of asking for more vitamin D. Listen to your bones and muscles. They may be telling you what you need. Excessive sweating on the head, especially in infants, is a classic early sign of vitamin D deficiency. In adults, a sweaty forehead or damp pillow can be an overlooked clue. This symptom is subtle, but can be an early warning, especially when combined with other signs. Don't ignore these small changes. Your body is communicating its needs. Sometimes a sweaty brow is more than just a nuisance. Vitamin D from food or supplements needs a healthy gut to be absorbed. Conditions like Crohn's, celiac, or past gastric surgery can block absorption, leading to deficiency. Even with a good diet, poor gut health means your body can't use the vitamin D you take in. If you have digestive issues, you're at higher risk and should monitor your levels closely. The gut is the gatekeeper. If it's not working, neither is your vitamin D. Addressing gut health is crucial for overall well-being. Vitamin D deficiency is common, but the signs are clear if you know what to look for. Simple steps, like sun exposure, diet, and supplements, can restore your levels and vitality. If you recognize these symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider and get tested. Don't ignore your body's signals. Early action can prevent bigger problems. Take charge of your health and step back into the light. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more health insights. Share your experiences in the comments. Your story could help others.